Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your makeup brushes and your sponges. But I use this one that's from Dove, and it has coconut milk and it's supposedly moisturizing. I have mine in here in this plastic bag, and I'm going to be using this little thingy that you can put in your sink. And these little, I don't know what these are called, but these hang on to the sink while you're using it to clean your brushes. So I got this off of AliExpress for like $1. It's actually pretty good, so let's just get started. So these are all the brushes I'm going to be washing, and these are all the sponges that I'm going to be washing as well. And I'm just going to take this and place it right here. It's kind of small, that's the only problem I have with it. So what I like to do first is just rinse my sponges. Then I'm just gonna start rinsing my brushes. Then I take my soap and I'm just gonna rinse it. I'm gonna take a brush, swirl it, and as you can see, the product is coming off. And then here's the brush. Then I take the brush and I use this. So this mat comes with different like settings, I guess. So these little hearts are like poking out, so that's for like the bigger brushes, but then these small ones are like more gentle for your brushes. So that's where I like to use my eyeshadow brushes. And then here is my brush all clean, and then I just put this aside on top of some napkins, because if you put them like this, hanging like this, the water is gonna go down to like this part of your brush, and it will kind of like melt the glue off that's holding the bristles, so don't do that. So I'm just gonna show you an example with a big brush like this. I do the same thing.
And what I like to do is just